Okay, hey guys. So one of the first packages for the summer to fall build came in, and I just want to show you what I got. So this was from Sidewindercomputers.com. This will kind of give you a little hint of what's coming around the corner. I've already posted the specs for the build on RealRedRaider.com, and so you guys are gonna get a look at to see what I've gotten so far. The other stuff should be here. Next week sometime early. So this is what I've gotten so far. Okay, so start off here. Let's see what this is. We got two green Feezer LEDs. There's about two in each package, and they come with one Molex. So these are going to be for the Raven's eyes. This pack, and then the other pack right here is going to be for the reservoir, because you guys know I'm doing wire cooling. So, okay, and here, wait, I almost read the other thing. So I'm not using coolant. I'm using PT Nuke, the Dash PHN, the clear one, which is the only one you should be using if you've got an all copper loop already. This is the normal one. The copper one is okay, but if you use too much copper, it'll change your pH level in the computer water cooling system. So you'd be better off with the clear one. And this you can add to other coolants to buffer them, make them a little bit better against algae. So yeah, so that's where I'm going. And then right here, got the XSPC dual 5 1/4 inch acrylic bay reservoir with the pump built into it. I hope this is the right one, because I really don't want to have to send it back. But Gary's a good guy, so I trust that he got the order right. So I'm going to open this up. And open. Okay. Yeah, so it is the right one. Good. Okay, so first off, as you can see, comes with a aluminum, just rip this off. It's like on there pretty good. Comes with a, wow, it's just really on there good. Oh, there's two of them. Okay, good. Got confused there. Okay, so comes with a aluminum front plate. It's black, pretty thin. I thought they would be a little bit thicker, but that's okay. And a silver one. Obviously, I'm not going to be using the silver because I've got a black case. So yeah, and I got to redo those driveways. They look kind of crappy. So yeah, that's that. Right here, they give you strange. Oh, they already give you fittings. Oh, so I bought new fittings for nothing too much. Cool. So, let's see what size these are. It's kind of strange. Wasn't expecting fittings. Wow. It's okay. Got another extra pair of fittings now. That's good. I'm not going to be using these ones. I ordered from Danger Den 2 3/8 inch fat boys because they're really good at sealing the tube. So I'm not going to be using clamps unless I actually have to, of course. But these look like pretty decent, I guess, but not going to be using them. So that's that over there. Now those look like 3/8 inch. They probably didn't include 1/2 inch barbs, but who knows. There's an Allen key to install the front plates on. Some screws for the drive bays. Here's the blue LED that comes with it. Not going to be using that, obviously. Some more screws. Oh, these are for the front plate. And here's the Molex for the pump built into the res. So I'm going to trying to get a better look at this. A lot bigger than I thought. Like, I was expecting it to be big, but it's really big. And it's got the thing on the inside right here so that you don't have to bend. I'm hoping I don't have to, but hopefully not. I don't have to bend it, but yeah, I'm gonna keep it in the package from now. This clear package, but you guys could see it easy though. But yeah, I want to keep it nice for, you know, when I install everything. But this is it. So yeah, you can see that the I think this is the either the outlet or I think it's the outlet, because it looks, yeah, this is the outlet. It's the outlet for the pump, and then this is this little hole over here. It's kind of hard to see. Right there is the inlet. Okay. So what's going to happen is I'm going to take the two LEDs. As you can see, there's a hole. Like right there. You can look if you can see it, and that'll hold the LED in place. You know, one of these green LEDs in the anti-static bags that they put them in. But what's cool about these is they're already fully sleeved by Feezer, and they're like $4, so a good deal on these. So far, this is Sidewinder's the only place that carries these by themselves, because usually you only get these with those shrouds that Feezer makes. Other than that, there's more to come, guys. So you guys will see in the next few days what I'm using for the build. For a hint, I'm not going to be using any Intel, AMD only. So that's as far as I'm going to tell you guys what I'm using. So, okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little short sneak peek at what's been going on, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.